Hey folks, today I'm going to talk to you about Safemo and their brand new solar powered cameras for security. I think you will want to know about them, especially if you're paying a monthly fee to another service for security camera footage. I'm going to walk you through how it actually works and what you should expect when using the Safemo camera systems. So go ahead, hit that like button, and let's get straight into the video. Number one, we've got the Safemo system. So we have a base station that has 32 gigabytes of storage on it. We have the camera itself, which is, waterproof and does all the different things that you would want it to do. And we also have solar panels. Now, this all comes in a 2-pack. So 2 cameras, 2 solar panels, 1 hub. I have one here so I can show you while we're doing the video, and then I've got the other one installed, and I'll walk you through that as we continue to go through the video. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video because there'll be some information about how to get this product, and I'll give you some tips about how this system has been going for me, and you'll be able to click through and get yourself a little bit of a discount on this Safemo system. As I said, in the package, we have the base station, just one of these. Each camera connects to a Safemo solar panel that will power. This is 5 volts of power. You can store up to 6 months worth of footage on this hub. And as you can see, it connects to your network via Ethernet. It has a power button, and then it has a USB 3 and a USB 2.0. And you can plug in a hard drive of up to 4 terabytes so you can store additional footage if you want to go beyond the 32 that's already on board. This also has the safe RTC technology, which means that everything is stored here on the hub. It's encrypted and it doesn't go anywhere else for anybody else to see, which is something that people are concerned about. And with this system, you don't have to worry about that. The cameras have a built-in AI algorithm that recognizes people, packages, pets, vehicles, different kinds of motion, and you get immediate notifications whenever something comes into your camera's view. The cameras each have smart AI recognition algorithm inside that allows them to differentiate between people, vehicles, packages, pets, all other kinds of motion that might be out there for your camera to pick up. Anything that comes before the camera gets picked up right away. I get a notification on here, I get a notification on my phone, and it has different sensitivities that you can set in terms of like how things are triggered. So it's a very, very good system and very comprehensive. The camera system works with Alexa. If you have an ALEXA with a screen and you set up the connection between the two, then this camera will pipe straight to Alexa so that you can see what's going on right there without having to open up your phone or something like that. It also has a 2-way talk feature, so you can get on the app and you can yell at people to get away from your front door or whatever it is. Shake your fist at the kids to get off your lawn. Whatever it is that you need to do. It all has a built-in siren. If yelling at people is not enough, then you can hit that siren, and it's loud. I've tried it. It's very loud. I can't reproduce it here, but it's very loud. The cameras are IP65 waterproof, and they're made to endure harsh weather conditions, so you don't have to worry about these things going south if you live in some place that gets extremely cold, extremely hot, or both, like me here in Iowa. You can install this guy 3 different ways. It's mountable from the wall, from the ceiling, or you can just simply sit it on a flat surface. I opted for the wall mount for my outside cameras. You can also switch between home and away scenarios, and there are some ways that you can dial that into different things. And there you go. Let's move on to the install process. It was actually very easy. I've got some footage here that I'll put up of me installing the first one, but I first got the camera set up to install on a post on my back porch, and that was very easy. It's just really screwing into the back here. Then you've got the solar panel. The cameras work on a battery charge, but the nice thing about this set is that it comes with 2 of these solar panels, and then it's just like set it and forget it. You set up the solar panel just about the same way, kind of a similar setup process. And then this connects directly to this, and then there's a couple of small screws that you put in there, and you are good to go. The solar panel will keep the battery charged, and as long as the solar panel gets good sunlight throughout the day, then it's going to get really good coverage, and it delivers 5 volts of charge to the batteries, and it's no muss, no fuss. If you've installed anything like this in the past, it's not really that much of a problem. The only tools you really need are small-headed screwdriver. If you have some of those electronics or eyeglasses style screwdrivers, that's what you need to back out the screws and back them back into the camera here. And when it comes to mounting these, you just need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. I just used a drill and a number 2 Phillips head bit on there, and everything went straight in. Very easy, no muss, no fuss. When setting up the base station, you want to have it connected to your router. All you have to do is plug it in, connect it to your router, go through the setup process in the app, and you are good to go. Once you get the app going, you just jump into the app. It gives you the opportunity to select locations. You can set everything to home or away. I am at home though, so I'm going to keep it there. I don't have the house front camera online right now because that's what I've been using to show you guys the product itself. But down here, you see we have the backyard camera going, and it's connected to the smart hub. So we tap through and it pops up. And what this gives you a super wide angle. This is literally my entire backyard. It just gives you a super wide angle in 4K or standard definition. And this is a live view right now of my backyard. You've got your tap to speak. You've got volume. You can hear or not. You've got different settings. You can turn on the alarm. You can turn on the light that is also on there, take a screenshot, and then record from right on here. So that is all very, very full featured. When you get into the camera, then you click through the little gear and you get to the camera itself. It shows you that you've got 100% battery. It shows you that it's solar powered. It shows you that it's set to be ready to record. And then it's got all of the different information about the camera and the hub in there. You've got your motion detection, and you can say detect pets, detect packages, vehicles, people, or all motion. Right now I have it at all alerts, and it is very sensitive. So you get your motion alerts, and you also get smart alerts. Then it also picks up night motion. I've also set up a motion zone. So what this does is it will detect motion in any of these areas. So if anybody comes over my fence or through my garage door, anywhere in my yard, it will pick up and show me what's going on. So you can edit this by just going in and tapping. And of course you can customize it by dragging it around like this. Then you can save, and then you go back out and you're back in the app. This is really granular and really dialed in. You get your notifications for all this different stuff. Down here, it tells you your power setting, auto power on the camera, but we've got that. We've got the alarm, duration 5 seconds, and you can also set it to flash for whenever it goes off. Sleep mode is off. If you know you're going to be at home and you don't want to have any 1,000 notifications coming in, you can sleep it. You've got your video resolution in 4K. You've got anti-flicker 60 hertz, color. It can also go in black and white. And then light sensitivity is medium. It has an LED indicator. And then in motion, you can set the motion sensitivity. And this is something that I've played with a little bit. You can have high, medium, or low sensitivity. I'm going to try low now because it is a very sensitive system. So I'm going to put it on low. And of course, from the app, you can get everything going. You can disarm everything. Now, the important thing is, how does it all work? And I've had this system set up here at the house for about a month, maybe a little bit more than a month, and had it going. And I have been very impressed with the quality of the picture, the responsiveness of the cameras, and just how well the whole system works together. I haven't tested it out with ALEXA yet. I don't really use those in my house very much. But if you do, you're in a great position. For what you get in the package, the ease to set up, as well as the quality of the overall product once you get it set up, I've been very impressed with this guy, and I think it's a great solution for anybody who just needs 2 cameras, solar panels, and a hub to be able to pick up most anything that goes on around your house. My house is not huge, and as you can see, my backyard is picked up entirely by just 1 camera. So if you're somebody who needs that kind of setup, then this is the perfect setup for you. As long as you've got a ladder to get where you need to go and you've got a screwdriver and a drill, then you can set this thing up in 10, 15, 20 minutes without any problems whatsoever. Links in the description down below so you can go get your Safemo products. Thanks again to Safemo for sponsoring the video and asking me to tell you about this thing. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found something that you need. If you did, hit the subscribe button. Come on back and see me again sometime soon. I'll be back later on this week with another video. Once again, my name's Jason, formerly Painfully Honest Tech, sometimes known as the JTL. Until the next time, I'm out.